Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. There she is, the bike that won't start. Start motor has shit itself, so today I'm going to attempt to get the old girl running. I have already disconnected said wire, and if you can tell, pretty sure it's not meant to do that. The entire connection inside has shat itself. So this is going and will be replaced with a nice new shiny one, as long as it's the right one. I was at first able to start it by pushing, ooh, but ooh, let's maybe not do that. So, put a bit of persuasion on there first. I can't imagine these have been off for, well, since the start. Right, let's have a little look, see. Now, I'm not sure if we're going to have any oil come out. So I have got a new 4 litre thing of oil to go in, so if we lose any, I'm not too fussed. I don't actually think there's much oil in there, to be honest with you, because we've had a bit of a leak. 2 volts. Moment of truth. Oh my god, what is that held on with? Does it just need a bit of persuasion? Oh, she's off. 20 years I don't reckon that's come off for. I reckon that's the original. But judging by the state of it, that's why it's basically come apart from the contact inside. Right, she's cleaned up as best as I can. So now I'm going to fit the new one, top her up with some oil. What I'll do as well is just give it a little dab of oil around the O-ring, like so. And then, moment of truth. Come on, baby. Well, she's in. That feels about taut. Obviously, I'm using a torque wrench. Doing this very professionally. Right. Oh, God. Moment of truth. What don't you want when you're doing electrics? Rain. Right. Oh, happy days. Here we go again. On the button. Epic. Happy days. On the button. Right, so I'm going to put some oil in, because I don't think there's much of that in there. And she's good to go. I'm now a mechanic. Anything you want doing, guys, just hit me up. Ah, happy days. Happy days. Highly professional how I'm doing everything today, isn't it? Just spilt fucking most of that. Who needs a funnel? Just let that circulate. Running like a dream. Ignore that. Happy days. Well, there we have it. She's back. Oh. Happy days. Well, there we are. She's back. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little video. If you haven't already, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Ciao.